Good morning, you Covetarians. Well, you find us today in this lovely countryside part of Coventry. It's the Brooklands estate on Broad Lane, heading up to Berkswell in that direction. And as you can see, today we've got another pretty scummy sign. Let's see, that side's quite dirty as well. If we've got enough water and it comes off easy enough, I shall get it done, hopefully. Right, try not to get in your way. Oh well, that was a shame, wasn't it? Accidents will happen and all. Something must have happened to the phone when I stuck my selfie stick in the ground and it turned itself off, and I've cleaned the whole of this, both sides. Spick and span, looks lovely. What you didn't see was the ice was freezing, the water was freezing on the poster again, and I'm just wondering why they don't paint this side with thank you for visiting Coventry, but they only do that signs when they're going to something like a motorway. Once again, good morning people. Bit sketchy around here with the undergrowth. Second one today, 25th of January. I don't think I'm going to reach my target of getting them all done in January, but it's still my resolution to clean as many as actual possible. There's a planning site thing there, I'll read that in a bit. And as you can see on the back, this one again is particularly gross again. So without further ado, let's try to get on it. I'll try to not make the same mistake as I made on the last one and mess it up when I put it in the ground, or on the stand should I say. Right, let's get on it. Yeah, that's just a weird way of being working. That's my get through. Oh, still cold. Still very cold. Come on, son. Just one little quick look at that. The difference is phenomenal, isn't it? But we'll get back to what we was doing. Okay guys, wasn't too long, wasn't too bad. Shrink down there a bit because we're on Zoom. Right, so we've managed to do the front and the back. Amazing difference in those. And what more can I say? Again, having the sign with nothing on the back, it seems like a waste. I mean, you got the Soliol sign over there. Got a little bit more water in there, so I might go over and do that. So yeah, check the traffic, make sure everything's okay. Another car's coming. So that's me, Tanner's Lane, jobbed. Okay, so like I said a minute ago, let's see if we can zoom this in a bit. That's the Soliol Road sign on. Welcome to Soliol, so sign on Tanner's Lane. Might as well give it a go, eh? This is even. This is even closer to the road. Nice little river down here.
I'm looking for Triumph Sports Ground.
Triumph close.
Triumph Sports Ground.
Come off the road here. I think it's in there. There's a football game.
Yeah. But how do we get in?
Alright,
Alright, thank you.
pal.
Thanks.
Take care. Well, that broke me broom. Never mind. Well, I love this bit of kit. I utilise the water from the river. Pretty good. And that's welcome to Solihull. Jobbed. Right, that's 3 for the day. Well, I love my bit of kit. But I must say, when you use cold water, that pipe does get stiff when you try to coil it back up afterwards. Oh, it's lovely being out in the countryside, isn't it? Sun shining through the trees. Oh, that guy's got the gate open to go play football. Good on you, mate. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.